Today I'm going to show you how to stake. First of all, you're going to log in with your email address. Then on the left you can see stake. You press that and then we will have two options and we are going for the first one today. Steet pre-launch 360. Then we're going to read this and press I understand. Then you're going to type in how much steets you want to use. I will do 500. When you have gotten this far, you're going to get two different notifications on. You're just going to read them and then press proceed. Here you have to type in I understand with capital letters. Then you press I understand stake. And then on the top of the website, you will get like a notification that it has been successful. If you want to check in or double check, you can press my stake. And here you can see that your steets are in stake.